before my recommendation for any others, everyone in the market looking for customer satisfaction and how to remain your communication with your customer. Some of the business, they do the service and then they finish the relation between the customer and the company. So my aim and our aim in Fusion to communicate, to keep that communication, the relation, the loyalty for us and customer. It's together between each other. GaragePlug give us this solution. We are always communicating with the customer indirect, digital communication. So this one, it helped our business. Now in the market, there is a lot of companies. Most of them, they are doing service. But how you will be the level up, down in the customer satisfaction? You know, everybody is doing service, everybody needs to work, everybody needs to earn money. But in the end, how you will continue? By customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction, your GaragePlug give me that relation, indirect relation, or between me and the customer, not self, I mean between me as a company and the customer. So GaragePlug, the customer, when he brings his car to us, as we are automotive car services, the customer start updating from point A till the end. And even after he leaves the company, still the relation through GaragePlug. Of course, Fusion to the customer, but it's through the bridge between Fusion and the customer, GaragePlug.